Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you a very easy snack recipe, chicken box patties. These can be stored in the freezer for up to 2 weeks and you can fry them as and when you want to. Come, let's start cooking. For making the chicken stuffing, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter. I have used salted butter. Once it gets heated, add 1/4 cup of minced onion and saute the onion until it gets golden brown in color. And to this add 1 green chilli chopped once, 1 big size I had taken, and cook over a slow flame. Now to this add 1 tablespoon of coarsely ground pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of red chilli flakes and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Reduce the flame and cook over a very slow flame. After that add 500 grams of minced chicken and cook till the chicken gets cooked well. Never add water at all. The water present in the chicken is more than enough for it to get cooked well. Now cover it with a lid and cook until it gets completely done. Mix on and off, and now to this add 1/2 cup of chopped capsicum and cook until it gets 3/4 cooked, and followed by 1 cup of boiled sweet corn kernels. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt. I did not add salt while boiling sweet corn. Now the chicken stuffing is ready. Let it attain the room temperature. Now the stuffing has attained its room temperature. Now add 4 cubes of grated processed cheese. I have used Amul processed cheese. I have grated it well. 4 cubes I have taken. If you want to add extra also you can add. Mix thoroughly. Now the cheesy chicken stuffing is ready. Keep it aside. Now let's prepare the glue for it. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of Maida and add water gradually and mix thoroughly. Mix so well that there are no lumps at all. Bring it to a thick paste consistency. Don't add too much of water and make it dilute. Now the glue is ready. Keep it aside. These are ready-made samosa patties. If you want to know how to make these patties at home, please watch my mutton samosa video. I have given the link of the video in the description box. You can refer. Now take a sheet and place it on a flat surface and brush the center of the sheet with the glue that we have prepared, like this way. Brush it right at the center and stick the other sheet over it, exactly at the center. Now spread the prepared stuffing at the center and fold one side like the way I am doing. Now brush the glue on top of it and fold the other side this way, and again brush it with some glue and fold the opposite side now, and again brush it with some glue and fold it this way. And this is it. It's so easy. The folding is too easy. Now the chicken stuffed patty is ready. Keep it aside and make the rest of them the same way. Now take oil for deep frying, and once the oil gets heated, drop the box patties one by one and fry over a medium flame till they turn golden brown in color. Keep flipping them on and off to make them get fried evenly on both sides. Now they are done. Place them over an absorbent paper to remove the excess oil. Now a super crunchy, cheesy and delectable chicken box patties are ready to be served. Serve hot. Friends, please try this recipe at home and write your feedback to me. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana, signing off with lots of love. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please write your valuable feedback in the comments box, which will encourage me to give you the best videos in the future. And if you like my recipe and my video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you all very much. With lots of love, Sana Kuram.